Good morning, audience. My name is Valerian Sashiana from University of Namibia. I will present you a topic called Residential Plot Management System for Windhoek City. I will take you through on introduction, motivation, research objective, system architecture, research approach, major outcomes, significance of study until the conclusion. Motivations, what motivates us to come up with such a project is the unfairness of allocating plot in Windhoek City, and this is due to manual system. The cities using allocating plot to citizen. For example, you may find someone owning 5 plots, while some people are struggling to get even 1 plot. Therefore, we have come up with a system that will offer transparent and fairness in allocating plots to the citizen within city of Windhoek. On the research objective is to develop a web-based residential plot management system for city of Windhoek that will give first-time buyers a preference to be considered when applying. Further, this system should be able to give people notification on the sale of plots and assist prospective buyers ascertaining the ownership and availability of property and make the land information available to the public. And this will make residential information easily available to the public also. Now, on our research approach, where we use a qualitative and quantitative research methodology, in terms of research approach, the mixed method approach endeavors to integrate the two approaches of quantitative and qualitative, seeking the result of both in research study. However, in this study, the methodology was carried out in twofold. The one is through research methodology, and the other one is software development methodology. The research methodology was required phase involved in accurately capturing the future use need from the system to be developed and all project requirement. In the research methodology, a case study qualitative research design was applied for data collection and data analysis. The case study qualitative research design was used to present small population of city of Windhoek, including its residents. The study was solely based in Windhoek and its residents, and the population study was made up of 50 participants of city of Windhoek and its residents. Now, on the system architecture, here is just showing us how the system represents the design of the system prototype that will aid the development of residential property record management system. So, this is through the implementation of a web-based application system. A user can describe how the system responds to the request from the stakeholder to deliver a specific goal. A user case diagram provides pictorial representation of how the act represents to the user case. Now, on the result outcome, a function web-based system was developed. The system allows the applicant to apply for residential plot online, and once a user applies, the system has eligibility check that check how many residential plot or house are owned by an individual. Depending on the threshold put in place by the city of Windhoek, the applicant will be automatically put on a waiting list or given a first priority. When you put on a waiting list, it means you are already owning plots within the city of Windhoek. Therefore, we want to give to the first priority to the first buyer, to the people who never own any plot in the city of Windhoek. Now, the significance of the study, so the residential plot management system will benefit both city of Windhoek and Namibian residents. It is also to eliminate the manual way of the City of Windhoek currently use to process its residential plot or houses application, and it also reduces manual workload and speeding up the entire application process to also to increase the transparency. It also reduces the workload within the employees that are working for City of Windhoek. In conclusions, the research was able to develop a full functional system that achieved all the objectives mentioned and automated the entire application system. The development systems allow applicant to apply for residential plot online. Once the system has eligibility checks, which check how many residential plots are owned by individual. Depending on the flash lot placed by the City of Windhoek, the applicant will automatic put on a waiting list or given first priorities. When this system was proposed to the City of Windhoek personnel and compared to the manual system, this system saved up time, speed up the entire process, and minimize the workload of administrator and make the whole process more transparent to the residential of City of Windhoek. On our recommendations, this proposed system only focus on a specific municipality, which is Windhoek. Considering its potential and capability, it is recommended that in future development could be decentralized and used in all towns in Namibia. For authentication process, the researcher recommended that the City of Windhoek authorized or help to link the system within national database of user national ID so that a user account can be made verifiable within the ministry. So this is my reference, and thank you for your time. Questions are welcome.